Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we are going to check out over 20 steal deals over at the Nike outlet store in Paseo during their Memorial Day sale. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas ZX500 Remastered RM. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Oh, and by the way, this video is where we actually announce the mechanics for our giveaway for the 10,000 peso outlet shopping giveaway. So make sure that you guys watch until the very end of the video where I share how you can join to that contest. Let's go! First up, let's start with basketball shoes. We have the Nike Hyper Dunk 2017 in black. This is the triple black, I think mid or high cut sneaker that is fantastic for playing hoops, well reviewed, well regarded. And this one is just selling for 4,315 pesos. 40% off, guys. 40% off the original price. So if you are looking for great, fantastic, low-key but fire performance basketball sneakers, check out the Hyper Dunks 2017 over at the Nike outlet store. Next up, we have the Air Max Dominate. Now, this is a sneaker that I'm not really familiar with, and it was the first time I ever saw it, but it looked really cool, looked really nice, and it got me intrigued. Now, this one is just 20% off, but it was able to knock the price down to less than 5,000 pesos. So this one is selling for 4,995. Not bad. Now let's jump into some Air Force Ones. First up, we have the Air Force One Ultra Mid Flyknit. Now this one, guys, is a ridiculously dope, fire crazy, all sorts of adjectives deal. Because why? This one is at 70% off. 70% off. So the original price was 8,845 pesos, almost 9,000. And because of the 70% off, you'll never guess it, they knocked it down to 2,595 pesos. That is an insane deal for an Air Force One Ultra Mid. I mean, mind blown, especially since it has the Flyknit upper which is so comfortable. Now, to be honest, I wanted to cop one. I wanted to bring one home, but unfortunately, they didn't have it anymore in my size, so I had to take a pass. But if there was a size 12 there, that was an insta cop at 2,500. Insta 100% cop. There was also the Air Force One Mid in black. So the upper was, I kind of think it was like black leather, and then it had some sort of gum midsole. Now this one was originally at 8,095 pesos, but it was knocked down by 60%. So this one was just selling for 3,195 pesos. Again, an amazing deal, guys, if you are looking for Air Force One mids. Next up, we have the Air Force One Ultra Force Mid. 50% off at 3,095 pesos, down from the original SRP of over 6,000 pesos. Guys, these are fantastic deals because these are sneakers that really sold for a lot higher back then. And the only reason why they are selling a little less is because they're out of season. But the style is very timeless. They're easy to wear. They can be still relevant. They will be still relevant several years from now, and that's why I think they're great deals. Next up, we have the Air Force One High. This is like the boot Air Force One. Now, this isn't selling well in the Philippines because we don't have winter here, but I can imagine people in the US or in Europe copying this because they would need it for winter wear. Now, this one originally sold for over like 8,000 or 9,000 pesos, but it was knocked down by 70%. So now you can get it, are you ready for this? For just 2,965 pesos. So if you are looking for a boot, if you are going to travel, or if you're in the Philippines just for vacation and travel, and you are going back to the US or wherever it is that you live and it snows there, you might want to pick this one up because it is an amazing deal. There's a black one, there's a beige one, and there's a cream one. All of them fantastic buys if you ask me. Now, let's say you just want a normal Air Force One. There is one Air Force One there. This is the Air Force One 7 LV8, selling for 3,095 pesos, on sale for 40% off. So that one again is a fantastic deal, but this one was just broken sizes left, and I can't blame Nike because this one was one of the first that, at least in my mind, I would buy because they're your typical low-cut Air Force Ones that are just easy to wear. So again, guys, if you still have, I think there were still like size 9s and 10s when I was there, but I'm not sure if they still have sizes left since it's been a while since when I shot the vlog. We also have the Sock Dart. Now the Sock Dart is your typical blue and orange like sneaker, which is very easy to wear, very familiar, very Nike-ish. And this one is selling for 50% off at just 3,295 pesos. Very easy to wear. I think you can run in them, but yeah, it's for those athleisure types of looks that you would want to pull off. There's also the all-white pocket knife BM, which is also at 40% off, bringing the price down to a little less than 4,000 pesos at 3,995. So if you are looking for all-white clean sneakers with a very different vibe and look, this is probably the sneaker that you guys might want to check out and try on feet. We also have the Roche, I don't know how to pronounce it, Roche Flyknit, and this one is also at 40% off, the price going down to 3,995 in the red colorway. The blue colorway is a little more expensive. I think the discount is just a 20% off for the blue one. But the red one is just as good, just as nice. Go pick that one up if you are conscious about your budget. This is the Air More Money in the white and red colorway, also with the black colorway. So both sneakers are on 40% off. So the original price was a little over 8,000 pesos. It's now selling for around 4,795 pesos. Now, this wasn't surprising at all. You know why? Because I saw them sitting on Titan for the longest time. Nobody was buying them. Nobody was picking them up. So you can instantly tell just by looking at it and how it was performing. This one is headed to the outlets, and yeah, it's there at 40% off. So if it was something that you guys wanted to buy, if it was something that was talking to you but you were unsure of at that time, now might be now is not might. Now is the best time to cop it now that it's at 40% off. We also have a bunch of Air Maxes on sale. We have the Air Max 90 Ultra 2.0 Flyknit, and this one is selling at 50% off, down to 3,895 pesos. Again, guys, this is Flyknit, so it's super comfortable. It's great to wear for a daily beater or a daily, everyday kind of sneaker. Next up, we have the Air Max 90 Ultra 2.0 Essential, again at 50% off, bringing the price down to 3,145 pesos. Really fantastic deals. There's also the Dunk Flyknit Multicolor, and this one again at 50% off, the price going down to just 3,095 pesos. I love the vibe of this one. I really wanted to pick it up, but again, unfortunately, no size. Team size 12, fail. But yeah, I really want to pick it up. Unfortunately, no size. Took a pass, but I would highly recommend it. Now, if you're looking for running sneakers, one of the best running sneakers that you guys can pick up, the Air Pegasus 35 is at 20% off, the price going down to less than 5,000 pesos. So you can cop it for 4,995, which is kind of amazing because it just came out like a few months ago, and now it's already at outlet at 20% off. So if you're looking for a high caliber, top tier running sneaker, this one you might want to check out, the Nike Air Pegasus 35. Now, if you are in the market for cross-training sneakers, one of the best ones that you guys can pick up is the Nike Metcon 4. Now, usually the Nike Metcon 4 sells for over 7,000 pesos, but you can get it at 30% off in the outlet store, the price being set at 4,695. There are a bunch of previous models of the Metcon, from the Metcon 3 to the Metcon 2 at a much lower price, but I would recommend that you guys just stick to the Metcon 4 because the price isn't that bad. Well, if you think about it, right? And we're not yet done. Wow, this is a long video. So next up, we have the Jordan 1 Flyknits. Now, the Jordan 1 Flyknit, this one in the color of, I think it's like the grayish with the yellow accents or gold accents. This one is at 40% off, the price going down to 4,995 pesos. Fantastic deal for a Jordan 1 Flyknit. I actually have a Jordan 1 Flyknit that I've been meaning to review, so I will try to do the review sometime this weekend or maybe early next week, just so we can compare the Flyknit versus your typical leather Jordan 1 and find out if it's worth it. Because, there are a lot of Jordan 1 Flyknits in outlets, so let's just review them and, finally decide if they're worth it or not. And lastly, we have the Jordan 1 Gatorades. Yes, guys, they're still sitting in the outlet. It has been months and months and months of me talking about the Gatorade Jordan 1s in the outlet mall here in the Philippines. Now they're up to 45% off. This started me doing the sneakers outlet videos with them being at 20% or maybe even like 10% off. Now we're down to like 45% off at 4,765 pesos. Okay, folks, those were over 20 sneakers. 20 sneakers that you could cop at great prices over at the Nike Factory Outlet Store in Paseo Santa Rosa, Laguna. So if you are in the area or if you're doing nothing this weekend, you might want to make the trip. Now, I can't guarantee, guys, that the prices are still the same or the items are still available because those items that I mentioned were from their memorial sale. And again, I'm not too sure if the prices are still holding up or if they still have stocks. But at least you guys have an idea of what you can possibly find there. Now, let's get to the fun part. I am going to do a contest where we can pick one person or one winner who will get a chance for a 10,000 peso outlet shopping trip with me. So I'll meet you either at the outlet store, the nearest outlet store. We have like a few selections. We can do Riverbanks, we can do Santa Rosa. So let's just figure that out. So how will the mechanics run? Number one, you have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to hit that notification bell. And number three, you will have to nominate somebody who will win. It cannot be you. It can't be you. It can't be you. Like you, as in you watching. You have to nominate somebody else. And you have to tell me why that person is deserving of the shopping trip to the Nike outlet store. Well, not Nike, but the outlet store here in the Philippines. So what you have to do is you have to go down to the link down below to the Google form that I created, and you have to fill it up with your full name, mobile number, who you're nominating and why. And to make your case stronger, I would highly suggest if you guys can put together like a quick video explaining why that person is deserving of the 10,000 peso giveaway. Now, I will be drawing the deadline for the submissions is November 5, and I will be announcing the winner shortly after that. And hopefully we can do the shopping trip before Christmas, get it all on video, and make that time special for that one person. Now, again, guys, the person you have to know, you have to have his contact number, his or her contact number, and you need to be able to like properly explain why that person deserves the outlet shopping trip. So again, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on IG. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Peace. God bless. See you guys next time.